the 11th day of hypertension hunting. Stay locked in today as we go through these blood pressures. For the first person today, 100/81, very normal blood pressure. For the next person, 111/74, very normal blood pressure. It started drizzling, so I decided to have myself a cup of bone soup. Let's head to Kariobangi South and see how it goes. 118/62, very normal. 118/79, very normal blood pressure. 120/80, extremely normal blood pressure. 116/86, the diastolic a bit elevated, but still no danger. So on repeating again, 115/84. I mean, no danger in that blood pressure. 104/88, the diastolic elevated. So on repeating again, 114/85, the diastolic is a bit elevated. 113/67, very normal blood pressure for the next person. 125/93, the systolic is elevated, but diastolic is very high for this patient. So we tried on repeating. 139/95, it kept going higher and higher. On repeating the third time, 130/89, sorry, it's still very high for these patients. 91/64. So I've been having this debate on the comment section with people, some saying this is low blood pressure and dangerous for the person. So normal blood pressure ranges between 90 to 120, that is for the systolic. For the diastolic, 60 to 80 millimeters of mercury. So that means this is on the low side of normal. So it's still normal blood pressure, but on the low side. Again, it's only normal if the patient feels fine and no symptoms, or rather the patient naturally has low blood pressure. In case the patient experiences blurred vision, fatigue, dizziness, lightheadedness, the patient should seek medical attention immediately. So let's go back to our blood pressures. 136/89. So the more I continued taking this patient's blood pressure, it went higher and higher. But the patient told me he's on medication for typhoid, so it could be affecting his blood pressure. So I told him to consult his doctor on that. So after a long day, I decided to have myself some ugali, mutura, and kachumbari, minus the sodium over there. So thank you guys for the support. See you in the next video.